What's up, online shoppers? If you are looking for some really cozy, comfy compression gloves, these ones here are by Dr. Arthritis, and I'm curious to see if they meet my expectations. So let's open it up and see what they look like. Now you can get these in all kinds of sizes, and the reason they developed them was for people who needed a compression glove for arthritis or carpal tunnel, just something that's going to give you extra support. As well, when you order them, they send along this really handy little book that they've developed, and I think it's pretty cool. It talks to you all about your cotton gloves, and it also gives you some insight into different kinds of things that can affect you in your wrists. I wouldn't put that piece in. Now, the gloves are pretty light. These definitely aren't for keeping your hands warm, but they are for compression. Now, you can order all kinds of different sizes. They have small, medium, large, extra large. They have different colors. Now, here's my hand right here, and I ordered a medium, and I definitely don't think I would want a large. These feel nice without feeling too tight. These feel snug without feeling too tight, and I actually even have one of my rings on underneath, so it's not bothering me. I can feel the compression on my fingers and on my wrist, and I like the feeling of that. As far as colors, you can get them in black or gray, and as far as sizes, they go from extra small all the way up to extra large, so depending on what you need, you can find the size and the color you like. Now, these are cotton gloves, but they do also have spandex in them to help with the compression element, and I like how comfortable these are. I'm quite impressed. I like that the section that's around my wrist isn't cutting off my circulation, and I like the feeling and the compression on my fingers from these gloves. The quality of these gloves is really great. They have a really nice seam around the outside, and it's done in a contrasting color to the gray. It's done in black thread. I think it looks really nice, and the seams are all really nice and smooth. There's nothing sharp, and they fit quite comfortably. Now, something else that's pretty cool is when you purchase this product, they actually make a donation to arthritis research. So even your purchases can make you feel good in your hands, but also make you feel good in your heart. Now, these are great to wear when you're working with your hands, like say typing on a computer or writing, because the compression helps to support. My grandma actually uses these when she's knitting because she likes the way the compression feels on her fingers when she's working the needles, and it also gives her a little bit of grip when the needles are on the gloves. If you are looking for a way to optimize your recovery or just to provide some relief and some support for your fingers if you have arthritis or some injuries, these are really comfortable gloves. Cotton, wash up really well, nice contrast stitching, high quality seaming, super comfortable. I'm wearing a medium, but they have all kinds of sizes, and they're definitely a family favorite at my house.